Hey, if you are involved in an automobile, motorcycle, or other motor vehicle claim, you may be wondering whether you can cancel your insurance after you file the claim. The quick answer is you can. Check out this video to learn more. Hey everybody, Chicago personal injury lawyer Barry Zlotowicz with the LawFull channel here. On this channel, I've tried to give away as much free legal information as possible. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to me. If I can't help you, I'll find someone who can. So in the past many years, I've received a lot of calls from people who were involved in accidents and then wanted to know if they could cancel their insurance after they filed their claim. Well, the quick answer is yes, you can. Where do I see these situations most? Mostly in motorcycle insurance claims, because somebody's bike has been demolished, right, or totaled. They don't want to keep paying insurance on the motorcycle. With cars, you don't see it as much, but I do get calls from time to time asking this question. Don't worry. The insurance company will still pay for your damages, even if you cancel your insurance contract after you file a claim, as long as the insurance was in effect on the date that the accident took place. But there are a few things you should keep in mind before you cancel your insurance. First, insurance companies are notoriously difficult to deal with, and some people would even say that they're intentionally difficult to deal with. But normally speaking, when you file a first-party claim, meaning you file a claim with your own insurance company, the adjuster, and again, depending on the adjuster, is usually pretty helpful because you are a State Farm or Allstate or Geico client. However, as soon as you are adverse to the insurance company or at odds with them, I have seen an insurance adjuster go from being extremely helpful to extremely difficult. So when might you be adverse? Well, if you get involved in an accident with an uninsured driver and you file a claim for your uninsured motorist benefits, or if you get involved in an accident with a driver who has very small insurance policy and you go after your underinsured motorist benefits, I assure you, your insurance company is going to look at you as an adverse party, and they are going to try and minimize your recovery to the same extent they would try to minimize the recovery by a third party. Another thing to consider is that if you cancel your insurance policy right after you file a claim, you might be less of a priority to the insurance company. You are no longer a State Farm or Allstate client, right? You were a client at the time of the claim, but now you are not any longer. And as such, you simply may not be as much of a priority to them since they're not trying to keep you as a client. By the way, there are other ramifications of allowing your insurance to lapse or to cancel it. You don't want to have a gap in your insurance coverage because if you do, there might be fees associated with starting the insurance up again. In addition, almost every state requires any vehicle driving on the road to have insurance. You don't want there to be a situation where you take that car out or you leave it sitting in your driveway and it's not covered by insurance. Also, you've heard those commercials on TV from Progressive and Allstate about bundling your insurance. If you have your home insurance combined with your auto insurance or any other kind of insurance policy, you may lose the benefit of that bundling, which usually is a premium reduction, by canceling your auto insurance. So before you cancel your insurance, that's something that you want to check in with your insurance agent about. Also, just one other thought is that if your car is in an accident and the vehicle is not totaled, let's say it's sitting in your driveway at home and you canceled your insurance policy and then a tree falls on the car. The car wasn't totaled and you could have got the vehicle fixed, but now the car is totaled because it was destroyed by the tree. So what do? You canceled your insurance policy, and as such, there is no coverage on that car for that damage. So it's just something to be aware of. It's something to consider, again, before canceling your insurance policy. So in summary, yes, you can cancel your insurance policy after you've been involved in an accident, and the insurance company will cover it. However, there are factors to consider, and you don't want to make a rash decision just to save a few $100. Give it some thought, talk to your insurance agent, and see what the best path is for you. Okay, it's time for your take on the law. Were you involved in an accident and then canceled your insurance policy after you filed a claim? How did that work out for you? How did the insurance company react? Tell us about it in the comments below. Hey, thanks for checking out this video on insurance claims. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments about filing a claim, please feel free to reach out to me. If I can't help you, I'll find someone who can.